Yes, I believe all of you don't see waiting then do this Igbo man in Lagos State. How they demolish Lagos and what the name of this place? Landmark. I believe all of you know that place, and all of you they see that place. They say they want to build road with other this in Calabar, something like that. How they demolish. Do you know what is 30 million US dollar? 30 million US dollar. That Jagaban then demolish this Lagos landmark. They not compensate this Igbo man. They not compensate this man. Tinubu not compensate this man. Governor Sonwo-Olu, Lagos State Governor, they not compensate this man. 30 million US dollar. Do you know how much it is? Do you know how much it is? Do you know how many billion naira where the thing be? They demolish this thing. They not even say to compensate this man. And do you know these people? Even though if load go that place, they can find another means to escape this place. But they want to do them. Because I said it before that since Jagaban, since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, Igbos are crying in Lagos. I have said it how many times? I have said this thing how many times? That since Jagaban become the president of Nigeria, Igbos are crying in Lagos. Since he become the president of Nigeria, demolition of houses, everything, they are demolishing everywhere. I said it before. Look at this innocent man. This man live in London. Almost 30 million US dollar. Lagos landmark. Go and watch the interview where they do this man either yesterday or 2 days ago. He said Nigeria government no give him any shishi, no compensation. Do you know what is 30 million US dollar? No compensation, because the man is an Igbo man. And even this man, the time where this man they buy that land in Lagos State, they build that way they be in that Lagos Lagos landmark. If the Igbo man tell him, Oga, this land you are buying, don't buy that land. If you want to buy this kind of land, if you want to spend this kind of money to do investment, don't do it in Yoruba land. Go to Igbo land, go do them. He will say to you, you may find a grammar, English where he go speak. Tell you it doesn't mean anything. You know, in Nigeria, we are one Nigeria. They know what to talk. If you said the time where this man, the owner of this Lagos landmark, if you said the time where this man they spend millions of US dollar developing that place, that bridge. If you somebody or if Ojuku or if anybody tell him, Oga, don't spend this money here. Go to East, go to Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi. Go and use that money, do investment that place. You will not regret it. The man will say no. But look at it. No compensation. And they give him 7 days quick notice. 7 days. Even the day where Jagaban and the Lagos State Governor, even the day where Caterpillar they demolish this Lagos this thing. The day where they are demolishing that place, we are in the hotel. The man say it on the interview where they do them. They cannot bring television and the fridge and some things. There are some properties where they go bring out. They know if you bring them, then demolish everywhere to show you wickedness of Nigerian governor. To show you the wickedness of Nigerian governor. Then demolish that place. They know even they know fit to enter in their house. Bring some things, televisions and all these things where they go feel bring out. Jagaban, Tinubu, Lagos landmark, 30 million US dollar. And please, as you are watching this video, make sure that you share this video. It will be a lesson to you. You zombie Igbo. You zombie Igbo Amalife. You don't learn the lesson. On our FIFA on a Lagos. Sometimes when I see what you people are passing through in Lagos, because how many times have they tell you that Nigeria is not for you? When One Nigeria have happened this man. Please, if you know this man, tag him. One Nigeria have happened to this man. He's an Igbo man. One Nigeria emego. Now the man don't know the meaning of one Nigeria. The man have know the meaning of one Nigeria. Wicked country, wicked politicians. This innocent man spend 30 million US dollar, and the Tinubu no compensate this man. The demolition. The time where this man they build this thing in Lagos landmark. If you say this man know that this kind of thing will happen to him, he will go to Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, do this investment, spend this money that place. That investment will still there right now. But they do Omo Igbo. Because since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, Igbos are crying in Lagos. Igbos are crying in Lagos. They are crying. Nobody to speak for them. Honest and Igbo, they have sold their birthright. We are talking about the Eastern governors. Let me not go that side. I'm not here to talk about those people now. Look at it. I pity for this man. Yesterday when I watched this video, because I think at that time where they are talking that in last year, maybe they have compensated him. They not give this man shishi. Nobody called him. 7 days quick notice. They demolished this place. All the property. People we are in the hotel. People we are in working. People they eat food. Caterpillar come. They demolishing the house. I saw a video of one of our brothers in Igbos that live in Lagos. He get one market, either 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, the time where they want close market. Caterpillar come. Those people come with government book. They said to them, we want to demolish this line. And all of them, they carry their goods. Look at what this man doing to Igbos in Lagos. All of them, they come out, they carry their goods. Everybody, the video is posted on net. But some Igbo bloggers and content creators, they will not talk about this thing. Only what they are after is to drag themselves on social media, insult themselves on social media. That is what they are after to do. When they are closing market, the Caterpillar come in that market, Caterpillar, and some people will carry government document or something like that. Tell them that we want to demolish this place, we want to demolish this line. What thing they go do? All of them they lodge, they carry their property, their goods. All of them they carry their goods, take it outside, and the Caterpillar they demolish. Either computer village or computer something like that in Lagos. The day where they demolish that place, then demolition in night, in the midnight, where our brothers or sisters in the village. I'm talking about what happened in December 2024. Yes, December 2023. Look at it. This is not the first time or second time. I pity for this man. I pity for this man. I pity for this man. This thing will be a lesson to you, you zombie Igbo that are living in Lagos. Because zombie, I know that meaning of zombie is person who don't get sense. Yes, because you don't get sense. You are building, covering water. After una suffer, develop that place, then go to pursue you people. They will not value that. That Yoruba pastor that go meet him, they call him meet him in his village. That is, they are planning how they will demolish Igbo's property in Lagos. They will take Igbo's property. They called the man meeting, and after everything, the man said to them, after everything, the man said to them, he is not in support of this evil. He is not in support of this evil. That is what the Yoruba pastor told his villagers. He left from that place. The man came online to say it. Government don't do anything. Government don't even talk anything. Government don't even ask the man to arrest those people that are doing this evil meeting. They leave them because they know what they are doing. But now Igbos, why they blame? And they blame you people. I don't know this man. I don't know this man. I don't know this man. Oh, this man is a billionaire, but a under important on social media. He's not the man. No follow for the people where they make noise. I pity for this man. I pity for him. I pity for him because you don't know sweat, suffer, hustle where this man do to build this Lagos landmark. You don't know what the man passed through and all the tasks where this man they pay. You don't know what this man went through. And this thing where some of the Yorubas they are doing to Igbos in Lagos. Though not all the Yorubas. There are some Yorubas that they do this kind of tribalism. This thing where they do for Lagos. This one they do for Lagos. Time we come where when I go to beg Igbos, they should come to Lagos. Time we come. Time will come where you people are telling them, go to your state, go to your state. Time will come. Some people where my wife will not know the value of her wife. The time where you could pursue your wife out. You go there like 1 month. Some of you go there, beg them. You will go back to their house. Go back to your wife father house. They beg them, make you come back. This is one that they do Igbos in Lagos. Hey, I don't go talk anything. No compensation. $30 million US don't go like that. No compensation. Tinubu, you are doing a great work. Tinubu, you are doing a great work. Governor Sanwo-Olu, you are doing a great work. When I talk a great work, whether evil work or good work, because you can do a great work through inside evil work. Yes. But know that all these things that you people are doing, God will visit you people one day. God will visit you people one day. Look at, I pity for this man. I pity for this man. Yesterday on the interview. This man, I pity for this man. I don't know him, but I pity for him. If he will learn lesson, if this man flow for, if this man is among the Igbo zombie, he will start looking for another place to buy again. If this man follow for the Igbo zombie, he will start looking for another way, another place to buy another land in Lagos to develop. After he develop that place, maybe the time where they go demolish that place, maybe that time the man don't die now. Maybe now his children may still get that thing. Government will take it from them. Find another thing, talk, take it from them. If you don't know the meaning of one Nigeria, call me on phone. I will explain to you. I will tell you the meaning of one Nigeria. Yes, if you don't know, if this man don't know the meaning of one Nigeria, let him call me on phone. I will explain to him. Why they never call you on phone? Why they never compensate you? Because you are an Igbo man. If you don't know the meaning of one Nigeria, call me on phone. Forget about that thing where Devuma do. Because now Devuma where they give the commission of this thing where they are doing. They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. Kali Igbo man put for that place. They know what they are doing. Listen to these people. Politics, Nigeria, evil pro-teachers, they know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. And I pity for this man. So before I land this message or before I end this broadcast, I pity for this man. I want to tell this man something. I want to tell him something. Whether I don't know how to contact him, I don't know how to, but I will look for a way to find his social media handle and send him a message. If you are among the Igbo zombie, go look for another place in Lagos. If you look at another place, if you want to go to Babish, go inside Babish. Go close that place. Build mansion on that place. You can name it. You can name it anything where you like. After I do that one, maybe they will not demolish that one in your own time. Maybe now your children, they will collect it from your children. But if you are Igbo that have the wisdom of Igbo, I wouldn't be Igbo. If you are an Igbo, have the DNA of Igbo, get the blend of Igbo. Only thing you will do is for you, any kind of investment in Nigeria, go look for East. These 5 states, Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, Anambra, and Imo states. Find anywhere in this state, go and do your investment. You will not regret it. And your children will not regret it. But if you do eat that place, you will lose. So let me end this video here. Thank you and God bless you, my brothers, my sisters. As you're watching this video, make sure that you share this video. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.